Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 9T, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it. And now we have to enter the About phone. All we have to do right now is find the MIUI version, which should be right here, and now keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in a developer mode. As you can see here, we've got the info that we are now a developer, so we can go back, and now we have to find additional settings which are right here under the apps. Let's tap on it, and now let's scroll down, and at the very bottom we've got developer options. And as you can see here, we've got a lot of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can turn on the option to stay awake, so the screen will never sleep whilst charging. We can skip the screen lock, we can enable the demo mode, we can install via USB, feature flags, wireless display certification, actually a lot of options, for example connected to the Bluetooth, or we can show the pointer location or show visual feedback for taps. In order to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it is immediately activated and applied. Obviously, if you like to turn off the feature, just go back to the option and tap on the switcher again. Of course, here we've got some options without the switcher, for example like in here in the window animation scale, so just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So actually this is it, and if you'd like to turn off the developer options after the customization, just go back to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher here. As you can see, they are now inactive, and after getting back and actually closing the additional settings, you can see that the developer options disappear. Of course, you can go back to the MIUI version step and keep tapping if you'd like to customize them again. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your Xiaomi Mi 9T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.